Welcome to this tutorial on customizing the document list columns in Quick Receipt software. The document list is a central view in the software where you can view all your business documents. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to modify the columns displayed in this list. Let's get started. In the document list in Quick Receipt software, right-click anywhere to open the pop-up menu. From the menu options, choose List Columns. This will open the List Columns dialog. Within the dialog, you will find all the available column options for the document list. Simply tick the boxes next to the columns you wish to display. If there are any columns you prefer to hide, just untick their boxes. After making your selections, click the Save button located at the bottom to apply the changes. You will see the document list instantly update to display only the columns you have selected. This feature allows you to tailor the view to emphasize the information that is most relevant to your needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial.